A miracle happened. I just ordered a Moonswatch mission to the moon from the Swatch website. I was very surprised when I went on a whim to the Swatch online store and discovered that 4 Moonswatch models are available to purchase online in Canada. When Swatch announced their crazy collaboration with Omega, they were promising that the watches won't be limited and will be available online. Then, due to the insane demand and hype, they've changed their mind and decided that we all need an in-store experience. For many, that experience was involving huge lines and empty hands, as Swatch could not keep up with the demand. Sometime later, I was able to buy my Moonswatch mission to Jupiter at a Swatch boutique in Toronto with not much of a hassle. Well, now I did it online. I will tell you later why I did it. It was reported previously that 4 Swatch and Omega collaboration watches are available online, but only in the USA and China. Today I found out that it's now possible to do this in Canada as well, but that's not all. 3 models of the Blancpain Swatch 50 Fathoms collaboration are also available online in Canada. This move is a significant shift in Swatch's strategy after the collection initially launched in 2022 as an in-store exclusive. Online sales are limited to 4 of the original models: Mission to the Sun, Mission to Mars, Mission to Earth, and Mission to the Moon. Other models are still being sold through Swatch boutiques only. As reported, this change primarily targets larger regions with fewer Swatch boutiques, addressing the frustration of fans who struggle to access the watches in person. The watches are priced at $270 or 335 Canadian dollars plus applicable taxes, with online purchases restricted to 1 per customer per day. Shipping is free, though potential delays might occur due to high demand. It can be a big deal for those who don't have a Swatch boutique nearby but really wanted to buy any of those models. Again, worth noting that other models Moonswatch or Blancpain can still be purchased only in Swatch boutiques, including recent additions to collections. For now, it looks like only these 3 markets are included, but there is hope that more countries and models will follow. Check your local Swatch web stores, maybe it's available in your locations as well. Now, do you really need to buy any of those collaborations? It's entirely up to you. When the dust settled and the hype is gone, you should ask yourself if these watches are worth your money. I haven't had any experience with the Blancpain collaboration, but I made several videos about my experience with my mission to Jupiter, and it's not the best. Yes, it can be a fun addition to any collection, especially if you have some regular nice watches in yours. But as a product itself, Moonswatches are not the best. I still have my mission to Jupiter, which I bought 2 years ago primarily for review purposes, and I don't wear it much now. Although I did not have major quality issues with my Moonswatch, the watch feels flimsy and not quite reliable to be a better watch. It's a light, fun, colorful addition. There are many watch enthusiasts that are quite happy with either Moonswatch or Blancpain, but again, for the same money, you can buy some real watch. So why did I just buy the mission to the moon? Well, 2 main reasons. First, I am curious about the process and how fast they will ship it to me. I live about 100 kilometers from the nearest Swatch boutique. Second, I want to revisit the watch. After 2 years of owning my mission to Jupiter, I am curious how the Moonswatch quality is today. Is it better, worse, or the same? So kinda research purposes. There is a big chance I will return or sell it later. The bottom line is that Swatch is making some of the models available online, and if you are in any of the 3 markets, Canada, USA, or China, you can purchase them without visiting a boutique. If you don't have any online in your country, there's a big chance they may be available soon. For my purchase, it warned me that the delivery may be delayed. The shipping is free and uses FedEx as a courier. And I actually just got the message that the order was shipped, which is cool. Let me know if you have any Moonswatches or Blancpain 50 Fathoms models available in your country.